Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's jump right into it. Today, find out how the price of Bitcoin has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, RSI, divergence and stochastic RSI show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the Bitcoin hourly time frame, the price moved only slightly to the upside with around 1.2% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $64,641. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, at the moment, the price is between the 200 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 64,327, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 65,223 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. Moving to the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 59, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Searching for divergence in the hourly time frame, there was a bullish divergence and the price already went up. Jumping to the hourly stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are located in the higher region. This means that the price is high due to overbuying, and a change in the trend, or at least some kind of consolidation, can be expected. The K line is below the D line, which shows that the trend has shifted to the downside. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 50 SMA to the downside decisively with higher than average volume, which is a strong signal. At the moment, the price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 64,404, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 65,379 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. Moving to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 50, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Jumping to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, currently, both the %K and %D lines are very high, meaning that the crypto is being highlight bought and a change in the trend can be expected, or for it to remain at least stable for some time. Despite this, the K line has yet to cross the D line, so patience should be exercised until you see if the trend will in fact go down. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is above all of the simple moving averages, which looks bullish, and you should watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could remain stable, or the price will dip below it with the current price of around 62,564. Looking at the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 58, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Moving to the daily stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time, but the %K line is below the %D line, which means the current trend is on the downside. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.